Good morning again. Today we will be doing math. So normally I'd tell you we'd grade yesterday's math, we'd get out our power-ups, but for now we'll just hop right to the lesson. I've been working on my summary skills. So we're on lesson 80, and I think Kyler's been using my marker. He's not even here and I'm blaming things on him. Okay, lesson 80, division with zeros in 3-digit answers. So if you have a piece of paper handy or happen to have a dry erase board, it would be good to follow along. I'm on page 509 in your math book. Remember all the steps with long division. Divide, I need two hands. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring it down. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring it down. Divide and multiply, subtract, bring it down. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring it down. Now I should have Mr. On and edit the video and have cool backgrounds, and I should start my own math YouTube channel. But for today, we'll just carry on. So let's say we have 618 divided by 3. My first step, how many times can 3 hop inside 6? You're right, 2 times. Divide, multiply, subtract. What's next? Bring it down. How many times can 3 hop inside 1? You're right, it can't. 0 times. And now you subtract that 0. Divide, multiply, subtract. Yes. Bring it down. How many times can 3 go into 18? Correct. 3 times 6 is 18. And then we neatly box our answer. Now, how can we check if we did it right? What's the opposite of division? Multiplication. So you take 206 and multiply it times 3. Okay, let's move on and do another example. In your book, I'm on example number 2. All right, making sure you can see me. Can you see me very well back there, Abby? Okay. What about Adam? Can you see the board? Okay. Taylor, you got it? Okay. Gus? All right. Maybe you can write your problem on the board for us today. Olivia, can you see the board? Ryder? Okay. Gavin, are you with me? All right, good. Okay. 2 eyes up. Good job, Kaylee. Kiara? Thank you. Carly? Yes. Awesome. I see you're writing on your paper. Brayden? Good work. And Lizzie? Yes. Okay. Just want to make sure you're all here with me. Here we go. Example number 2. 1,483 divided by 4. Hopefully I'll get better and better at these, okay? How many times can 4 hop inside 1? It can't. Some of you have gotten used to putting a 0 there, okay? Now, or an X. How many times can 4 go into 14? Some of you might want to use your multiplication chart. It's going to be really important you review multiplication and division. 4 can go into 14 3 times. 4 times 3 is what? 12. Divide, multiply, subtract. Bring it down. How many times can 4 go into 28? You're right. 4 times 7 is 28. And last, what do we do with that 3? We take the 3 and we bring it down. Can 4 go into 3? No. So we have to put a 0 there. What do we have to put? A 0. So minus 0, that is our remainder. What is that? That is our remainder. I think for today's lesson, it might be easiest to go into IXL and do division problems in IXL. And on my teacher end of IXL, I can tell who's been in there and who hasn't. So I think that will be the easiest way to assess it. So today's lesson was lesson 80, division with zeros and 3-digit answers. You're doing great, and tomorrow is Friday, so we're almost there.